Step 1. First, create your new login credentials. Fill out the required information such as your email ID and password to create a new account. After successful registration, you will get a confirmation email. Step 2. Click on the link provided in confirmation email and log in using your credentials. Step 3. Fill out the volunteer application form as per provided in this video. In this page, fill out your emergency contact details. In this page, fill out your qualification details. In this page, fill out your qualification details. In this page, fill out your volunteer experience details. Finally, fill out your availability for Expo 2023. Congratulations! The application form successfully submitted. Another video is provided on how to set up interview for Volunteer Expo 2023.